Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a simple news video. Please do not skip for this video, please watch this video to the end. Here is a sample video you will all be able to do. I will show you step by step easily and understandably.
I will make a news video as a model for all of you. The first step is to find out what information you like to make an article. Now, I choose this information. Then you need to copy this article. Everyone must save this article. You can save on Google Document. Create our file name. Then download the file. Select PDF file. Now ready in step 1. Let us now begin the second step. Go to CapCut AI website. Okay, this site needs to be linked to your Google account. Next we link our Google account and we can use. Upload the file we downloaded earlier. Okay, it's ready to edit our file. You all need to copy this article. I save this article file on Document, Google. Let us now begin with the third step, the final step. Log into the CapCut website. You need to link your Google account like the previous website. I'm already connected. Then click Create New. Choose the size of your video. I choose the size. Select Options Elements. Find the video we need. Intro video, that is good for you. Find the background of the video. Best video backgrounds. Choose an AI character. Whichever character you want to choose, think good for you. Click the character AI to copy previously saved text. You can use 1000 articles. You can choose the voice of our characters.
The document discusses the recent passage of a U.S. Navy P-8.
That's so cool. Copy video. Paste video. Copy AI's character video. For more articles, click option, the AI character. Then copy more articles. Copy background video. Find music intro video. Choose intro music here or search on YouTube. But I choose music intro here. Then save the video.
An aircraft through the Taiwan Strait, which occurred following talks between U.S. and Chinese defense chiefs aimed at mitigating regional tensions. The 7th Fleet emphasized that the aircraft operated in international airspace, asserting the United States' commitment to upholding navigational rights and freedoms. This passage is significant due to the strait's geopolitical.
Thank you so much for watching my tutorial video. This is just a minor knowledge. I try to teach you to understand. Do you understand? Please rate below.